What's going on, everybody? Adewale here with Ajayi Firearms and Tactics. I've officially met the prerequisites for the NRA Training Counselor Development Workshop. And this coming Monday, when seats go live on the NRA Instructor portal, I'll be attempting to secure my seat. This video is the behind the scenes look at how I'm preparing, tightening up my shooting, refreshing my instructor material, and reviewing everything I need before stepping into the workshop. Today, I'm practicing the level 4 instructor qualification, and I'm refreshing bit, basic pistol, and the NRA TCDW lesson plans, along with Bert Jones. Let's get into it.
20 rounds at 15 yards. Try to get a minimum of 16 out of 20 within a 6-inch shot within the circle. Ready? Yep. Here we go. It's on you.
Even though I haven't secured the seat yet, I'm preparing as if I've already been confirmed, because once registration opens, the seats go fast. Training counselor is a top tier in the NRA instructor pathway. You're no longer just teaching students, you're preparing future instructors. So my prep right now includes reviewing basic instructor training, which is bit, rebuilding and refreshing my basic pistol lesson structure, revisiting the NRA CCW teaching material, practicing coaching and diagnostic skills, and tightening up my personal pistol fundamentals. This is the foundation I want before stepping into the 5-day workshop.
Ah! 2, 4, 5. 1. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So okay, I'm going up from 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's within the 6-inch group, I guess. You got one out. Oh shit! Oh shit! That's all over. Oh, that works. Bring her in. Okay. One, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 15, 18. I had one. Got one. So yeah, one that's a miss. Yeah, well, yeah. None of that one. Yeah, I pulled that one. So that's it. That's right there. Oh, that's 2. Yeah, that's 2. Yeah. And I think this. Oh, and that's 2 too. That's 2. Okay. All right. Good on that. Oh man. All right. All right. Let's see. Let's see if we can clean up. Yeah. A little cold start. Yeah, it was. Ain't nothing wrong with a cold start, bruh. I want to clean that up. Yeah, me too.
All right.
So the goal of today was trying to get at least at a minimum of 16 rounds within a 6-inch shot grouping. So it's 20 rounds you have to shoot. You have to get 16 out of 20 shots in a 6-inch shot group, and that's what we were practicing today in our preparation for the training counselor development workshop. So yeah, I think you only get 2 tries while you're at the workshop. So just need to keep practicing until it's time to go to the workshop. But want to clean this up. Got a lot of takeaways from today. I'm going to work on that, fixing that on the next time we're out here. And that's it.
Yeah.
All right.
Good work.
Seats for the Training Counselor Development Workshop go live this Monday on the NRA Instructor portal. The moment registration opens, I will be trying to secure my seat, and I want to fully be prepared so I can hit the ground running. This is the behind-the-scenes preparation before attempting to register for the Training Counselor Development Workshop. If you like this breakdown, please like, comment, subscribe, and follow the journey. Train as if your life depends on it.